what are, 3 or 4 things that salespeople can do to really leverage LinkedIn?
Yeah. So from an attitude perspective, it's not coming at LinkedIn to say, oh, I'm going to sell somebody something. I'm not going to put a connection out and do an immediate sales pitch. It's really looking at LinkedIn as it's an opportunity to connect and engage with somebody. So how am I going to do that? I am, I'm going to be on it, but from an attitude, I want to crawl, walk, run, but I want to start creating some of those connections. And the ways that I'm going to start to create some connections is that I might go through some of my my folks that I'm already connected with and find out who they're connected with and ask them, can you help me with an introduction? I might get involved in more groups. You had mentioned that. Again, because the more first degree connections that you have, the easier it is to have direct conversations. But what you don't want to do is come at people as a salesperson and sell something and pitch something. It's really about looking at, I want to get to know you. I want to learn a little bit more about you. Let me see if I can help you. And that's the mindset and the attitude that you want to take when you start to do some stuff on LinkedIn.
Yeah, so that takes us into the behavior and the doing stuff. I think a lot of people, like you mentioned, don't know what to do. Maybe it feels aggressive for them to search for prospects and do cold outreach, or they're not sure what to post or what to say and stuff. When you think about behavior, what do you what comes to mind?
Yeah, again, I'll come back to you've got to crawl, walk, run. So kind of start with wherever you are. But from a behavior perspective, it really starts with, again, what are your objectives? And from a sales perspective, it is I want to find who is some of my ideal clients. Who are they? So it's really being able to use the search button to identify who are you really trying to attract? Who are you trying to connect with? And who are you trying to engage? So it's really starting with knowing your ideal client first and what that looks like. So using from a behavior perspective, it's how am I going to use it from using an advanced search? So can I research and search my clients? Can I then create and generate a lead list from doing that search button? Because there's so many different things that you can do on LinkedIn, but then it's okay, if I want to be a content expert and I want to demonstrate some expertise because I want people to know that I know what I'm talking about, what are some of the information that you can share? And the way that you would do that, you could do that through posting. So it's then looking at, from a behavior perspective, how frequently are you going to post? What are you going to post? If you're not comfortable posting, then it's what am I going to do in terms of making some connections with other people as I read their posts and maybe make some very intentional comments on the things that they post. It's not just, hey, great posts. That's really helpful. Nice. But it's maybe adding to, it's asking a question. And it's a little bit more intentional and meaningful as you are identifying and then reaching out and connecting with your ideal client prospect.